Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to repeat the header in Excel in every single page when you are going to print. In order to do that, I have here created a table with data inside, and let's see what I want to mean. When we are going to print these pages by pressing on our keyboard Ctrl and P, as you can see, we have the print preview of the page of our work, and in total we have 3 pages. And when we are going to scroll down, as you can see, the top header, the heading of this table is disappear. Now we're gonna make it freeze stable and repeat in every page in a very simple way. We're coming back, and from page layout coming to page setup, and from here we see print titles, and from print titles, as you can see, we have rows to repeat at top. I'm pressing this, and from here we are selecting the row number 1, which contains our headings of our table. Pressing OK, and once again we are pressing Ctrl and P on our keyboard, and when we try to scroll down, as you can see, the top heading of our table is getting stuck and it's not disappear when we are going to page number 2 or page number 3. We're coming once again back, and now scrolling down, as you can see, now the header disappears when we scroll down in our sheet. But what I want is that I want to freeze the top row of this table and make visible while I'm scrolling down like this. Okay, how we can do this? We're coming to view section, and from view section we are coming to window, and from here we are selecting freeze panes, and from here we are selecting freeze top row. And once again, voila, when we are scrolling down, as you can see, the top header is not disappearing. So the video was like this. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Until the next one, have a nice day. Bye bye.